All right, we're live right now. Coach Michael Burt, Midday Coaching Crunch. Midday Coaching Crunch. How we doing, monster producers? Coach Michael Burt. Hope you're doing great. I want to come in here and bring some real value to you. And in 2022, we're going to be doing a lot of things on Mondays during the midday. That way you can grab something at lunch, 20 or 30 minutes, get back and get better, right? And so what I want to bring you today is a concept called the opportunity meeting. All day, every day, people talk. And they talk, and they talk, and they talk, and they talk. What they do not do is actually present an opportunity to another person or present an offer to another person. Okay? Businesses generate revenue by solving problems. But one of the things that is conspicuously, if I can say that word, missing is during the day you're not calling and initiating a conversation with anybody, and you're not making any offers, Anthony Purvis, right? The whole purpose of the business is to produce a customer, and the way you produce customers is you present an offer. Okay, and what got me thinking about this is I'm reading a book called The $100 Million Offer by Alex Hormozi, and a book called Speak to Sell, and it's got me thinking about how all day long, man, salespeople talk to people, but they don't make offers. When you have an opportunity meeting, that is when you are in front of a prospect and you have a solution to their problem. It is your responsibility to offer them a solution to their problem. Would you be interested in this? Have you considered this? Are you open to this? If I could show you this, would you take action on it, right? Versus talking, you should be at some point after you have initiated, after you have disarmed people, after you have located a problem or you observe a problem, you should then be the stimulus that offers them a solution to that problem. And so without this stimulus, without this offer, then there is no exchange of money. There is no exchange of business. So we listen for problems, and they're everywhere. We initiate conversations. We disarm people through connection. We locate problems or find opportunities. We, boom, initiate an offer. All they can do is say no. All they can do is say I'm not interested. All they can do is tell you to lose their number. So some of you are going to watch this and you're like, dang, coach is right, man. I'm only talking to 3 people. I'm not initiating an offer. I'm not bringing a real value. I'm not really solving a problem. Therefore, there's no money exchange. Okay, and that is a problem. So 2 big concepts for you here at lunch on Monday. Number 1, the opportunity meeting. Remember the old days, you got together and somebody presented an opportunity to you and you could join Amway or you could join the club or you could get involved in something. Well, I want to say that an opportunity meeting is your ability to articulate your value, show people what you believe, explain to them how you can solve their problems, differentiate what your products and services are, and have a call to action. And if you're not doing that today, folks, I don't know what it is you're doing. Well, I do know what you're doing. You're just messing around. You're not doing things that produce revenue. The purpose of the business is to produce revenue. So here's what it looks like. Guys, I'm doing Person of Interest here at the Lodge, January 4th. I'm going to show you a strategy and a methodology on how I went from being a high school basketball coach to a person of interest in the world. I'm going to break that methodology down into probably 4 or 5 key steps and strategies. First, we have to help you find what makes you unique. We have to show you how to package what makes you unique. We have to show you how to market and promote what makes you unique. We have to show you how to monetize what makes you unique. To spend that day with me in person, it's only $297, or it's $97 online. People are buying it right now as we speak. What would stop you from doing it if you're serious about becoming a person of interest, right? Or if you want to keep chasing leads, chasing anything sucks, just keep doing what you're doing, right? Or come and learn this strategy with me. See, that is presenting an offer. Now I put you in a position, all you can do is say, yes, I'm interested, or no, I'm not. Yes, I'm willing to spend the money or invest the money in myself, or no, I'm not willing to invest the money. Yes, I'm going to find a way to be there with Coach Burt to be a person of interest. No, I'm not going to find a way to be there. See, all we can do as professionals is present our opportunity to you. It is now up to you, but between stimulus and response is a space, and in that space lies our ability to choose our response. So now the ball's in your court. Okay? So here's what I do, folks. Okay? In the comments below, this is how I do this on Facebook. Kevin Jones. Come on now. Let's do this. Come on, Kevin Jones. Come on, Anthony Purvis. Let's go, folks. If you want to get it to the next level, man, we're going to have to do something different in 2022. You are, I am. So then I make a post and I say, here you go. Boom. There's your ability to join me live in the room for Person of Interest at 297 one-day boot camp, where I share with you the secrets I've used from going from a broke high school basketball coach to a multimillionaire. Now, if you don't want to learn those secrets, don't matter to me, man. I've already figured them out. I want to help you learn those things because I'm not the hero in this story. You are. I get joy by watching you take these strategies and go out and put them into practice. So, if you're out there and you're watching today, or you watch it later, I want you to post how many offers you made today to people. How many people did you talk to? How many people did you present to? How many offers did you actually make to purchase your product and service just like I just did? I'm Coach Michael Burt. We're going to start bringing these to you on Mondays. These accountability sessions, midday around 12:30, something like that. Keep you focused, keep you moving, and keep you remember the purpose of the business. You guys have a great day. I'll see you at 4:30 for the Monday call.